cold day. I didn't dress for the occasion, so let's just see, running the Traxxas XRT on 6S parallel. So we're gonna go ahead and hit track, start, stop, read, cool. So look, here we go. Gonna hit start, speed registering. Oh my god, let's go. It's real cold out here, guys. So let's get to business. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna go ahead and hit stop, read, 112 miles an hour. 112 on 6S. Alright y'all, we're back at it. We just did 112. EC cut out. Didn't get to check the data, but I'm pretty sure we overworked it. Not enough room here, so it's all good. But yeah, it's really cold out here, so everything is just working against me. So if y'all see here, hit track, hit start, right? Alright, stop, read, 1 mile an hour. Alright, so track, and we're gonna hit start. So I didn't charge the batteries. These are the same 6S but lipos in parallel. My hand is freezing. That's all I can say. EC is hot. Not surprised. Said stop. Said hit stop. Wait. That was 110. All right, let's take this thing back because I'm cold. I'm like really cold. What's up, y'all? This video is a continuance to the speed run you just saw on the XRT, 112 miles an hour. All right, so I'm gonna just show a couple batteries. CNHL G Plus 6,000 milliamp lipos. These jokers hit hard, yo. They really hit hard, low resistance, but it's hard to get these batteries. It's really hard to get them. I don't know what's up with China Hobby Line. See the weight? 2 pounds, 3.8 ounces. Big heavy boy. Here's the other CNHL lipo. Different configuration, different cells, different chemistry, but 10,000 milliamp. And this joker is ridiculous. Like, it's, I can't explain it. I mean, it's, these two hit just as hard. I don't know. They hit. I have not been able to really figure out which one hits harder, but they both hit hard. I mean, I run them in heavy fifth scale cars and all that, and pull 22 kilowatt and pulling 700 amps on 6X and XRT with both of these. I mean, they hit hard. I mean, these lipos are just, they just hit hard. I mean, you know, 8 gauge wiring, 10 gauge wiring, good lipos. £2, 12 ounces. This joker's heavy. And then we have what I've been testing here from ONYX RC Power Solutions. This is like the elite of the G Plus. It's pretty much similar configuration, you know, tabletop design. But this joker is 7 gauge wiring, QS8, constructed really good. 2 pounds, 11 ounces. Now the catch with this is a high voltage pack. You can charge it at 4.35 volts per cell. So this has a lot of potential. I've yet to run it that high. I ran it at about 4.26 volts. You know, just tested it out. But yes, this is supposed to be able to handle high voltage. This is not a high voltage pack. This is not a high voltage pack either. You can do them both at high voltage, but what will happen is they will swell on you. I'm telling you. What will happen is these will swell on you. This does not swell at 4.26 volts. Amazing lipo. But this is what I was running an XRT video. You look at them, they're all similar sizes. So, you know, big shout out to Michael over at ONYX RC Power Solutions, man, for making this lipo, man. You know, I came to him, I said, I need something big. You know, he had this available 4S, so they can do it. So here it is in 6S, testing it out, and it's doing an amazing job on 6S in the XRT. So I'm very happy about this lipo. This is something special about this lipo. I mean, 4.35 volts. You see the weight of it. I mean, this joker is a heavy hitter. So I just wanted to just show you all this. And yeah, you know, so, you know, big shout out to ONYX RC Power Solutions. Big shout out to WFO RC Racing. You know, got the rig looking all blinged out and sturdied out with all the metal, and got the motor mount on there and everything, man. You know, WFO they're in this, man. They love pushing the envelope just like ONYX RC Power Solutions. Big shout out to Castle. You know, running that crazy motor in there, 2028 1700 kV, only on 6S. Of course, big shout out to Gone Bananas Racing Skins. Those wheels are amazing, man. They are running really good. So, you know, 2023 is going to be a big year. But yeah, so you're going to see a lot more of some ONYX on my side of the end. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.